Did you know the average car battery lasts only about 3 to 5 years? And here's the kicker, most of them fail much sooner due to completely avoidable mistakes. Your car battery isn't just a power source. It's the heart of your vehicle's electrical system. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share 10 simple but powerful tips to help you make your car battery last twice as long. These tips will save you money, time, and the headache of getting stranded with a dead battery. And stick around because I've got a bonus tip at the end that could save you up to $1,000 in unexpected repairs. Subscribe to Car Culture Central for more car-related tip videos. 1. Drive your car regularly. It may sound simple, but a lot of people don't realize how important this is. When you start your car, the battery works hard to crank the engine. After that, the alternator takes over, recharging the battery as you drive. But if your car sits unused for days or weeks, the battery slowly loses charge, weakening over time. Think of it like leaving your phone in a drawer for months. It's bound to lose power. How to fix it? If you don't drive often, make it a habit to start your car at least once a week and let it run for 15 to 20 minutes. Better yet, take it for a short drive to give the alternator enough time to fully recharge the battery. If you don't drive for extended periods, invest in a battery tender. It mimics regular use and keeps your battery healthy. 2. Clean and tighten battery terminals. Over time, corrosion builds up on the terminals, making it harder for your battery to deliver power efficiently. This extra resistance forces the battery to work harder, shortening its lifespan. Loose connections can also create inconsistent electrical flow, stressing the battery even further. Before we reveal the fix, subscribe to Car Culture Central for more car-related tip videos. Fix. Use a battery terminal cleaning brush to scrub away corrosion until the metal is clean and shiny. Then, spray a terminal protector to prevent future buildup. Before you finish, make sure the terminals are securely tightened. This simple 5-minute task can significantly improve battery longevity. 3. Choose the right battery for your vehicle. Not all car batteries are created equal. If you use the wrong type, it can strain your car's electrical system and wear out the battery faster. Each vehicle has specific battery requirements, including size, capacity, and cold cranking amps, CCA, which is especially important in colder climates. Pro tip: many manufacturers install smaller batteries to save costs. Upgrading to a higher CCA battery, like going from a 500 CCA to a 700 CCA, can provide better cold weather performance and last longer under heavy use. 4. Inspect your alternator regularly. The alternator is responsible for keeping your battery charged while driving. A failing alternator can overcharge or undercharge the battery, leading to premature failure. Worse, it can cause strange electrical issues like flickering lights or warning signals. Solution: get your alternator tested regularly. Most mechanics can do this in minutes, or you can invest in a home tester for about $50. Catching alternator issues early prevents costly breakdowns. 5. Avoid short trips. Every time you start your car, the battery works hard to crank the engine. But if your trips are too short, like a quick run to the store, the alternator doesn't have enough time to fully recharge the battery. Fix. Combine errands into one longer trip to give the battery enough time to recharge. If short trips are unavoidable, consider using a battery tender to maintain charge levels. 6. Park in a cool, shaded area. Heat is a car battery's worst enemy. High temperatures accelerate battery fluid evaporation and damage internal components, leading to a shorter lifespan. Easy fix: park in a shaded area, garage, or use a sunshade to keep the car cooler. This small step protects not just your battery, but also other electronic components. 7. Maintain battery fluid levels. Many car batteries rely on an electrolyte solution, which can evaporate over time. If fluid levels drop too low, the internal plates become exposed, leading to damage and reduced performance. What to do? If your battery has removable caps, check the electrolyte levels. The fluid should always cover the internal plates. If it's low, add distilled water. Never tap water, as it contains minerals that can cause corrosion. 8. Turn off electrical devices before shutting off the engine. Leaving your headlights, radio, or air conditioning on after turning off the engine can drain your battery. This extra load makes it harder for the battery to hold a charge. Before we reveal the solution, subscribe to Car Culture Central for more car-related tip videos. Solution: before shutting off your car, turn off all electrical devices. This simple habit reduces battery stress and prolongs its lifespan. 9. Secure the battery properly. A loose or poorly secured battery might seem harmless, but it can vibrate excessively while driving. This can cause internal damage, leaks, or even short circuits. Fix. Make sure your battery is tightly secured in its tray with the correct mounting brackets. Check it periodically, especially after driving on rough roads. 10. Avoid letting your car sit idle for too long. If your car sits unused for weeks or months, the battery slowly loses charge. Unlike phone or laptop batteries, car batteries need frequent recharging. Solution: start your car at least once a week and let it run for 15 to 20 minutes. If you won't be using your car for an extended period, invest in a trickle charger or battery tender to maintain charge levels. 11. Use a battery insulator. Many modern vehicles come with a plastic battery insulator to regulate temperature. If your car doesn't have one, installing an aftermarket battery insulation wrap can help keep the battery protected from extreme heat and cold, extending its lifespan. Solution: if your car experiences extreme weather conditions, consider installing a battery insulator. It helps retain heat during winter and prevents overheating in summer, improving battery performance year-round. 12. Check your battery voltage regularly. A weak battery may still start your car but could be on the verge of failure. Checking the battery voltage regularly can help you identify issues before they leave you stranded. Fix. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. A healthy car battery should read around 12.6 volts when the car is off and about 13.7 to 14.7 volts when running. If the reading is significantly lower, it may be time for a replacement. 13. Keep battery cables and clamps in good condition. Battery cables and clamps are crucial in maintaining a stable electrical connection. Over time, they can wear out, loosen, or corrode, leading to poor conductivity and battery drain. Solution: regularly inspect the battery cables and clamps for wear or corrosion. Replace damaged parts as needed and ensure a snug fit to maintain a strong electrical connection. Bonus tip: pay attention to early warning signs. If your car cranks slower than usual or your headlights seem dimmer, your battery may be struggling. Ignoring these signs could leave you stranded at the worst possible time. What to do? Test your battery as soon as you notice these symptoms. Many auto parts stores will check it for free, or you can use a home tester. Catching a weak battery early saves you from unexpected breakdowns and expensive replacements. Before worrying about your car battery, you should think about what car you are purchasing. Buying a car is one of the biggest financial decisions a person makes. Yet many car owners make critical mistakes by not investing properly in the right vehicle from the start. These mistakes can lead to unnecessary expenses, frustration, and long-term regret. Here are some of the most common pitfalls of choosing the wrong car and the consequences that follow. 1. Ignoring long-term costs. Many buyers focus on the initial price of a vehicle without considering the long-term expenses. A cheaper car might seem like a good deal, but if it has poor fuel efficiency, high maintenance costs, and expensive insurance, it will cost significantly more over time. Additionally, cars with low resale value can leave owners with a major financial loss when it's time to sell or trade in. On 2. Not researching reliability and maintenance costs. Some cars may look stylish or compact with advanced technology, but if they have a reputation for frequent breakdowns, the cost of repairs can quickly add up. Failing to research reliability ratings and common mechanical issues means you might end up with a vehicle that spends more time in the repair shop than on the road. 3. Overlooking fuel efficiency. Gas prices fluctuate, and owning a fuel-inefficient vehicle can be a significant financial burden. Many buyers purchase powerful SUVs or performance cars without considering how much fuel they will consume. In the long run, choosing a fuel-efficient car can save thousands of dollars in gasoline costs. 4. Buying more car than you need. A large SUV or luxury car might be appealing, but if you don't truly need the extra space or premium features, you're paying for unnecessary expenses. Larger vehicles typically cost more in fuel, insurance, and maintenance. Buying a car that fits your lifestyle instead of one that simply looks impressive will save you a lot of money and headaches. 5. Ignoring depreciation. Some cars lose value faster than others. Purchasing a brand new car without considering depreciation means you could lose thousands of dollars in value within just a few years. Opting for a vehicle with a strong resale value or a lightly used car can help mitigate financial loss. 6. Not factoring in insurance costs. Different cars come with vastly different insurance rates. Many buyers fail to get an insurance quote before purchasing a vehicle, only to find out later that their premiums are far higher than expected. Performance cars, high-end luxury vehicles, and models with high theft rates often come with steep insurance costs. 7. Skipping a pre-purchase inspection. For used car buyers, skipping a professional pre-purchase inspection is a massive mistake. A car may look perfect on the outside but could have hidden mechanical problems that cost thousands to fix. A simple inspection by a trusted mechanic can reveal potential red flags and save buyers from purchasing a lemon. 8. Financing without understanding the terms. Many buyers get caught up in low monthly payment deals without fully understanding the financing terms. High interest rates, long loan terms, and hidden fees can lead to overpaying for a car. Taking the time to understand the loan agreement and comparing financing options can prevent financial strain. 9. Ignoring ownership. Costs for specific brands. Certain brands and models come with higher than average maintenance and repair costs. Luxury brands, for example, often require specialized servicing, expensive parts, and high labor costs. Failing to account for these ongoing expenses can turn a dream car into a financial nightmare. 10. Not thinking about your future needs. Many buyers purchase a car based on their current situation without considering future changes. Whether it's growing family needs, commuting requirements, or lifestyle changes, choosing a car that won't fit your long-term needs can lead to an early trade-in and financial losses. Investing in the right car from the beginning requires thorough research, careful budgeting, and long-term thinking. By avoiding these common mistakes, car owners can save money, reduce stress, and enjoy a vehicle that meets their needs for years to come. Final thoughts. By following these simple tips, you can double the lifespan of your car battery, save money, and avoid the frustration of unexpected breakdowns. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Car Culture Central for more useful car maintenance advice. Check out 5 brands that are better than Toyota here.